Through this manna, God teaches you a certain attitude to take with you, even when you are already living in the promised land. Manna says, trust in Him totally. Manna says, everything you have really comes from His hand. Manna says, expect surprising miracles every day. Learn these lessons well. Expect manna in the desert. Diba kasi pag sinabi mong desert, talagang wala, puro buhangin yan. No? But God will provide. Believe that God will provide. Believe that God listens. Believe that God heard your cries. Wala kang nakikita. It's desert. But God is with us. Always with us. Kahit nasaan tayo. Kahit nasa gitna ng kawalan. God is with us. Tingin sa taas at makikita nyo kung gaano kalawak ang kalangitan. Kung gaano kalawak yan, mas malawak pa. Mas malawak pa dyan ang pagmamahal ng Diyos para sa atin. Pag hindi mo na kaya, nanghihina ka na, lumuhod ka. Lumuhod ka at magdasal. Itaas mo lahat kay God. Lift up everything to God and trust. Sabi nga dito, manna says, trust in Him. Everything you have really comes from His hand. Lahat ng mayroon tayo, lahat ng ito galing kay God. Kaya nga walang rason para tayo ay magmalaki. Walang rason para taasan natin yung ego natin. Walang rason. Kasi kung wala si God, wala tayo. Expect surprising miracles every day. Every morning. Pagising pa lang, yung pagising pa lang natin, milagro na yun. Pagmulat mo ng mata, humihinga ka pa. Milagro na yun. Dahil napakadaming pwedeng mangyari sa loob ng isang araw. But for how many years? No? For how many years of your life, of our lives, ginigising tayo ni God. Meron tayong kinakain. We survive. That is already a miracle.